Scratches, super easy. If you have scratches, just, it's gonna make red marks. Same idea, choose an area. Let's say I get scratched. My skin is gonna be a little angry at me. So I'm gonna take some of that bright red, charge up my sponge, determine the area that's gonna get scratched. Don't want any of it but super dark. Just mark the area that got irritated. Grab a brush. I'm gonna use a really skinny one. If you have a chisel tip, that works too. A flat one works. I'm gonna charge up my bright red on my brush. I see this is angry, and I'm just gonna make a couple marks of where I got hit. You want them to fade away at the end, not be necessarily even in color. Think about what scratched you, and that stipple is gonna be your friend. I think I'm gonna do a little bit. Let me see, I'm gonna test it. Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple irritation marks, and that's scratches. That's all it is. Powder it down, charge your brush, knock it in. And then if you want them to feel deeper and they're just surface cuts, you can put a little dark color on the edge, give it a little contrast, giving it a little shadow on one side is gonna help it so you can see it further away. It's good for track marks. You need to show somebody with track marks on their arm. It's good if they were attacked by an animal. Go back to those primary source images and see what you can do for them. The other thing is, these guys, we could put a couple drops of blood on it for fresh scar wounds. They'd be great.